Right, organizing the workshop. So when you're organizing things, it is essential to not mix things. So this, as you can see, is all power tools. And then here we have various tools. So for instance, these are scrapers, etc. Building tools, these are spare building tools. Welding machine, breaker machines, tile cutters, all the power tools in one place. Then we move on here. It's materials. So I'm just a little bit concerned here because we've got a pump. So this is a great example. This is a pump, okay, and this is a lid for a pool, right? And these are hinges for windows. I don't understand how they have anything to do with each other. Why would you? So when I am looking for something, that would be a shit box. That would be a shit box. Someone doesn't know what to do with something, so they just hoy everything in a pile together, and it becomes a shit box. So we absolutely try and avoid shit boxes at all costs, because if I'm looking across here now, I can see here's other window handles as well, window fittings as well. So the person didn't actually take the time to actually look where things should go. They just threw it in a shit box. Therefore, the process then is this goes on the floor, and you guys need to organize it in the correct place. So when you see things on the floor, it means they were found in absolutely the wrong place, and they need to be organized in the proper place.